Hello dear students, welcome to Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. This is Jigyasha Prajapati presenting here class 6 computer science video lectures of chapter 10 Introduction to Flash CS6 part 1. So students, in this part of chapter we are going to cover up these topics starting Flash CS6, components of Flash and some of the shape tools. So students, you have to open your computer book at page number 105. Okay. Now we will start with a brief introduction of the Flash CS6. Introduction. Flash CS6, which is stand for Creative Suite CS6, is an animation software package. This Flash CS6 released in 7th May 2007, it is supported by Windows operating system and Macintosh operating system, or we can say Mac operating system. Flash CS6 is one of the most widely used software for creating animations with images, sound, videos, etc. So students, by using the Flash CS6, we can create animations in which you can insert images, sound or videos. Okay. So this software is also used to create movies. We can create graphics and animations in Flash without losing their quality. So students, we can create animation movies in the Flash CS6 without using their quality. Okay. Now we will move to our next topic, which is starting Flash CS6. So now we will see how to start Flash CS6 in your computer. For this, the steps to open the Flash CS6 are as follows. First step is click the start button. So first you have to click on the start button on your computer. Next, click the all programs option. Next, in the third step, click the Adobe option. Next, click the Adobe Flash CS6 Professional. Let's see. Here you can see students, this is your start button on the desktop screen. We have to click on this button, then you can see the list of options appear on your screen. Here we have to click on the all programs option. Now in the third step, we have to click on this Adobe Master Collection CS6. Okay. When we click on this option, here you can see the various applications provided by the Adobe software. Okay. And here we have to select this software, Adobe Flash Professional CS6. So we have to click on it. Then the Flash screen will be appear on your computer screen. Let's see. Here you can see student, the Flash screen appears on your computer screen. This is the Flash screen. Click the file and new option. Here you can see in the menu bar we have file option. We have to click on this and here we get new option. So now we have to click on the new option. Okay. Now when we click on the new option, the new document window appears on the screen. This you can see, this is a new document window. Select the Flash file Action Script 3.0 in General tab and click OK button. Here you can see this is the General tab and this is the Action Script 3.0 under the General tab. You have to select this file and now you have to click on the OK button. Okay. Now the Flash workspace will be appear on your computer screen. Let's see. This is the Flash workspace. This workspace contains various components. Let's see one by one. The first component of this workspace is menu bar. Here you can see this menu bar present on the top of this Flash workspace, and this menu bar contains various functions like we have copy, open, modify under the file tab, and same we have different tabs here. Okay, in this menu bar. Next component we have stage. The stage is the part of the Flash workspace where we can place different shape to create animation or movies in the Flash. Okay. Next component we have timeline. Timeline is present at the bottom of this Flash screen. Okay. And here you can see student, this timeline contains various frames which are divided into the sections. Next, on the right side of this Flash screen you have tools panel. Okay. This tools panels contain different tools to draw, to paint, to select or to modify. Okay. Next we have panels. Students, panels is also present on the right side of this Flash workspace, and in this panel you can see the properties of the different tools, okay, which are available in the tools panel. Now we will move to our next topic, which is shape tools. Shape tools are used to draw different types of shapes like rectangle, line, etc. So students, by using the shape tools, we can create any type of shape in your Flash workspace. Following are the various shape tools. Students, here you can see this is the tools panel which is available on the right side of the Flash workspace as we have seen. So our first topic is rectangle tool. To insert the rectangle tool, first we have to click the rectangle button. Here you can see this is the rectangle button, so we have to click on this button. Now in the step 2, click the properties in the panels section. You will get a list of options. Students, in the properties box of the rectangle tool, you can get different options for the rectangle, like we have fill color, we have stroke style, we have stroke color. Okay. Now in the step 3, select the stroke style, height, etc. and fill color tool to choose color of your choice. Okay. So these are different properties that we can apply on the rectangle tool. Now hold and drag the mouse pointer on the stage. A rectangular shape will be drawn on your Flash workspace. Let's see. Here you can see, student, this is the stage area of your Flash screen. Okay. And here you can see in the panels we have different properties of the rectangle shape. Okay. So here we have fill color, we have stroke, we have style, and we have the stroke color. Okay. So here I have choose the pink color for my rectangle shape. So here you can see, student, the rectangle shape with the pink color has been drawn on the Flash screen stage. Okay. Now we will move to our next shape, which is line tool. This tool is used to draw different types of lines to create shapes. Students, if you want to draw a line on your Flash workspace, then we have to use the line tool. To use the line tool, follow the given steps. First, click the line tool from the tools panel. Next, select the color, thickness, stroke and style from the properties panel. Next, move the mouse pointer on the stage and click and drag it to draw a line. So students, we have to use the mouse pointer to draw the line on the Flash workspace. Next, release the mouse button to finish the drawing. Let's see how to create lines in the Flash. Here you can see, student, this is your Flash workspace, and here we have different properties for this line tool, which I have already selected here. Here we have stroke color, stroke size and style for the line. Okay. And here I have drawn some lines in this Flash workspace. Okay. Now next, students, you can also draw other shapes like oval, polystar, etc. by clicking the small drop down arrow on the rectangle tool. Here we have different tools provided by the Flash software. We have rectangle tool, oval tool, rectangle primitive tool, oval primitive tool, and we have one last polystar tools. Okay. Now we will see the practical of these topics one by one. To see the practical, we have to start our computer. Next, we have to click on the start button. Then we have to click on the all programs. Here we have to choose Adobe Master Collection CS6. Click on it. Then here you can see the various application provided by the Adobe. We have to choose here Adobe Flash Professional CS6. Okay. So this is your software that we have to select to open the Flash. Click on it. Then the Flash workspace will be appear on your computer screen. Now we have to click on the File tab, and here we have to click on the New option. Now the new document window will appear on your computer screen. Here in the General tab, we have to click on the ActionScript 3.0. Click on it, and then we have to click on the OK button. Here students, you can see the Flash workspace will be appear on your computer screen. On the top of this Flash workspace, we have menu bar. On the right side, we have tools panel, and on the bottom of this window we have timeline. Okay students, now we will see how to create rectangle shape on this workspace. For this we have to click on the rectangle tool. This is your rectangle tool, and you can see here different tools by clicking on the drop down arrow on the rectangle tool. Okay, so here we have 5 shapes. Click on the rectangle tool, and here in the panels you can see the properties tab. In the properties tab, we have different properties for the rectangle shape. We have fill color, we have stroke style, stroke color. Okay, so this is your properties tab. So first we will select the stroke size for the rectangle. Now we will start drawing the rectangle. Okay, drag your mouse and drop here. Okay, when you release your mouse button, you can see, student, the rectangle has been drawn on your stage area with the pink color and the blue stroke color. Okay, stroke color is your outline of the shape. Okay, so here we have blue color outline. Okay, students, now we will see our next practical, which is how to create lines in the Flash workspace. Okay, for this we have to click on the line tool, which is available above the rectangle tool. Click on it, and here you can see the properties for the line tool. Okay, we have fill color, stroke color. So first we will select the stroke color for the line. Here I have choose the red color for my line. Now I will select the stroke size for the line using the scroll bar, or you can directly insert the stroke size in the text box. Okay. Now we will start drawn line in the stage area. So here by drawing the line I will make E letter. Okay. So student, this is the way to create rectangles and line in the Flash workspace. Students, I hope you have understood all the topic that we have seen today and the practical of these topics. So thank you students, have a nice day.